People get ready, there's a train coming. Don't need no package, you just get on board. All you need is faith to hear that diesel humming. Don't need no ticket, you just can't thank the Lord. People get ready, there's a train to Jordan, picking up passengers from coast to coast. Have faith is the key, just open the doors and board them. There's room for all of those who love the most. Because there's no hiding place from the kingdom's the road. People get ready, there's a train coming. It's picking up passengers from coast to coast, coast. That faith is the key to hear that diesel humming. You don't need no ticket, all you got to do is get down on your knees. Have you thank the Lord. 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 You thank the Lord, Lord. You thank the Lord. Thank the Lord.